guys, welcome back to my channel. So this morning's already been off to a weird start, but anyway, I just locked myself out of my apartment, but thank God our landlord lives right next door, so she really helped me out in a pinch. But I'm going to teach my refit class this morning, but I thought I would just take you along with me because today's supposed to be a beautiful day, and I'm kind of hoping I'm gonna get in a solo beach day, so we'll see. So that's what we're doing. I just got gas and finished, well, I finished my class, and then I got gas, and so now I'm heading home. It's a little cloudy, but it's hot already. So I have a feeling it's gonna be a good day. And then I'm hoping to go to the beach, but it's gonna be a solo beach trip, and I'm scared. So hopefully I don't get abducted. That would be, I just want a little dip and a little sun, and that's all I'm asking for. So we'll see, but I don't know. But anyway, so now I'm headed home. In true summer fashion, my breakfast is macaroni salad. So that will be breakfast, and then I'm gonna change and pack stuff and go. If there's one snack that I'm just rotting on the couch. There's one snack that I am passionate about. It is this dill dip. This one right here from Aldi. And then with wheat thins. Goated snack. Goated snack. Summer snack, winter snack, you name it, good snack. It's almost 6 p.m. I am going to my friend's house, and we're gonna go for a little sunset walk. Well, not sunset actually, just evening walk. That's what's happening now.
Like wait right now.
I just showered. I'm gonna do a little, like literally a little skincare. I don't actually moisturize some nights when I have acne, like a big flare up like I do right now, because I put pimple patches on, and if I moisturize and then try to put like an acne patch on, it doesn't stay. So like we can't have that. So yeah, just doing a little skincare before we're going to bed. It was a great day today, and I'm so grateful I can have these days to just I do my little work in the morning, my little class, and then the rest of the day is kind of chill. Those days are few and far between, honestly. Like the last 3 weeks have been kind of a nightmare, so I'm glad to have this day. And I'm glad I was brave enough to go to the beach by myself, because then I would have been really sad if I didn't and been here. I would have figured something out. But one of my favorite things lately about like showering, because sometimes I just get in a funk where I'm just like, showering's a little work, I'm tired, I don't look forward to it. I enjoy listening to my favorite podcast, which is The Good Guys. And I don't know, I literally look forward to it. It's my favorite thing, truly. This is probably where I'm gonna end the vlog. Thanks for spending the day with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.